Might seem somewhat silly with that storm I see coming over there, but I want to make sure my tomatoes get watered today. Oh, we got a good possibility of rain, but if it don't rain, then they won't have had any water. So we'll give them a little drink, and then the rain can come along and finish it off. Those are some ferocious looking clouds. I wouldn't even come out if I'd bothered to take a look before I come storming out here. It's definitely going to rain. The beans are looking real good. I don't know when I'll get around to uploading this video. The last video I uploaded, I was explaining about my computer being broke down, and I uploaded it with my laptop. A little small laptop, ain't got a whole lot of memory to it. It took me 2.5 days to upload about it. It wasn't even a 7-8 minute video. AT&T has got the world's worst service for internet service. And I got a bone to pick with Lowe's and Company. Lowe's Building Material. Might as well mention that right now. Went to Lowe's today and we bought some 30-second cleaner or something. It's just a bunch of bleach. Put it in the sprayer and spray it on the patio furniture and the rocking chairs and the front porch around front to get all the mold off of them. And that's what we spent the day doing. Cleaning the deck and furniture and cleaning up the mold out there on the front porch. But my complaint about Lowe's, I bought extension cords, I bought scrub brushes, I bought a bunch of stuff. I bought, I don't remember, nearly $100 worth of stuff. And I told the ladies that I'd like to use my veterans discount. They hem-hawed around, looked at my driver's license, and then said, this customer has to reapply for his veterans discount. So that Lowe's is cheating people out of their veterans benefits. They claim that veterans get a discount. I think those days are about gone. I said, lady, I'm standing right here holding a veteran's driver's license. That ain't good enough? You had me in the computer actually twice. I've been using my discount here a lot of times. Well, you can go to Lowe's.com and re-register and bring your receipt back down here, and we'll be glad to give you your military discount. When he said that, I said, no, sir, that was the manager. He had come over there. I said, no, sir, I got you beat. I can go to the Home Depot. They're right across the street, and they're not going to try to cheat me. I'll just do my shopping somewhere else. Probably will go to Lowe's if I need something, but he didn't need to know that. For some darn reason, all of a sudden I need to re-register for the veterans discount. A fellow veteran waiting in line said, here, he can use my card. I said, no, he can't either. Listen to that thunder booming away. I'm just giving them a little drink here because they're obviously fixing to get a real healthy drink from Mother Nature. But I had to get out here and make a little vlog or something. I probably won't even try to upload this today. I'll upload it when I get a chance. Just want to voice my gripes about Lowe's building material. They brag that veterans get a 10% discount, but all of a sudden, they're reneging on that deal. Look at them beans, ain't they looking good? Boy, them vines are just climbing like crazy. I bought me 200-watt LED light bulbs for my light stand in there, and I did some remodeling on my light stand. We'll conclude this video with a look at that, and I'll go turn off this water before I forget about it. think we'll have to do the light. We'll have to do the light demonstration at another time. That storm is blowing in here big time. I'll be lucky to make it to the front door.